Welcome back, my dear students. Now we will continue our exciting lesson, which is called Stars and Planets. And now we will talk about the 8 planets. The 8 planets are 8 dark bodies. They are not shiny like the stars. They are dark bodies that revolve around the sun in fixed orbits. They revolve and rotate around the sun in fixed orbits. Like you see in this picture, the sun is here in the middle, and all the 8 planets can rotate around the sun in fixed paths or fixed orbits. They cannot go out of these paths. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets that revolve around the sun as they are organized from the nearest to the sun to the farthest from the sun. So, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and Neptune is the farthest one. Now we will talk about the properties and features about the planets. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is the most beautiful planet. Venus is beautiful planet, the most beautiful one. Earth is the planet where we live on. Mars is the red planet. Mars is red because its rocks contain iron, and the rocks contain iron, its color is red. So the Mars is red. Jupiter is the biggest planet. It is the biggest planet in the 8 planets. Saturn, it is the planet that have colored rings that rotate around it. And Uranus is the coldest planet, and Neptune is the blue one. Let's have some questions. The nearest planet to the Sun is? Yes, Mercury. Excellent. The nearest planet to the Sun is Mercury. The farthest planet from the Sun is the farthest one. Neptune. Excellent. It is Neptune. The biggest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Excellent. It is Jupiter. While the smallest planet is Mercury. The biggest one is Jupiter and the smallest one is Mercury. The nearest 2 planets to the Earth. Let's think about it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So, the nearest 2 planets to the Earth are Venus and Mars. So, the nearest, when he asked about the nearest planets to the Earth are Venus and Mars. The planet Earth is away from the Sun. How is the number, or what is the number that is the Earth is organized in? Number 1 or 2 or 3, or which number? Let's say the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth. So the Earth is the 3rd planet away from the Sun. Now we'll talk about moons. The moon, we all see the moon in the night. The moon is dark body, but we see it shiny. Why? Miss, I see the moon shiny in the night. Why you say it is dark? Because the moon can take the sunlight and reflect it to us so we can see it shiny. But the moon is not shiny at all. It is a dark body. It is dark body. So give reason. The moon is dark body, but it seems bright. Why we see it bright and shiny? Because it reflects the sunlight falling on its surface. It reflects the sunlight falling on its surface. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.